Hello guys, you're welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. If today is your first day you are coming to this channel, I advise you to subscribe, like and share. Also click on the notification button for you to be notified whenever we upload new video. And as for you, our old subscribers, copy the link and share too. Don't forget to go to the other channel, AYA Cosmetic, and watch the videos. Also they will have good exciting video over there too. Just go watch, subscribe. If not for you, there would have been no us. All right, the only guy who always want to make the ladies beautiful. Yes, I'm here again. And guess what? If you want your items to be shipped worldwide, whatever, if it is skincare items or cosmetic or organic materials or any type of items you want us to ship for you, we ship worldwide, because hence we've gotten our logistic company. Yes, we just got our logistic company approved now, so we ship everywhere. We ship any kind of thing, not just skincare only. Any kind of material item you want us to ship for you, we ship abroad, we ship within the country. We ship everywhere. We deliver within the country. That's it. Okay, in a quick one, yes, today what do I want to teach you? A lot of people be doing Yello Sisi soap, Yello Sisi cream, Yello Sisi blah blah blah. I don't know what they were doing. I tell you, retalk. I am the founder. Like as I said, I am the founder of Yello Sisi. I am the founder of Irish cream. Yes, when you invent your own thing, you give it a name. So I give it a name, Yello Sisi. So let nobody fool ya. They don't know. They don't know the right formula. So unless I give you the formula, and today I'm about dropping part of the formula. If you want the complete, you can always come to me via my WhatsApp number. Then we talk. I show you how I did it. Yes. So don't be upset. Don't be angry. I don't even need to tell you. Yes. So I will be dropping the formula today of Yello Sisi. I might not drop the full formula, but I'm gonna drop part of it. Like as I said, I will drop part of it. So this is the Yello Sisi soap. You can see it. Yesterday, about 4 days now. Like I soak the soap. You can see our shredded photos and pictures on the screen. Also, how it began. See it now. See. So after you shred all your soap, all kind of soap, basically it's whitening soaps and the anti-pimples balls, Ghana, white soap, ozone, and any choice of your own soap, right? Yes. Any choice of your own soap, let's put it that way. You see it now? This is it. It's nothing more, no magic more than this. Yeah? So after now, we'll do the blending. You can just also use your hand to, use your hand, do the massage it, till it blend if you don't have a blender, but it's not gonna look smooth that way. You understand? And also, as it is, now let me tell you, if you those type who do large quantity of scrub, you can change this into scrub. You can change this into body wash. I don't deceive people. I tell you what you can use to achieve in life. I don't be like those people. Yeah, some say I talk too much. Why I talk too much, I want you to get it. So if you have problem with my talking, so get out of my channel. I don't care. I don't know who you are. I don't want to know you. Because I want to say the truth to everybody. You see this now? You can change it to a very, very unique body wash. Yes. You can change it to a very unique body wash, because the way it is now, it lathers very well, and all the whitening property that, it has all of them already, and like we're gonna put more to tweak it. Are you getting it? From in here, if you want to make it just to be on a lightning, just light for lightning only, or you just want to be just whitening only, fine, you can make it. So it's all about your choice and all you want to do. Like here, I can just tweak it to shower gel. Here, I can tweak it to scrub.
Okay.
So The soap is a powerful soap that, yes, whatever you have in mind to use it for. You can make it a shower gel, you can make it a scrub, you can make it a whitening soap, you can make it a glowing soap. But as the name implies, yellow CC, so let's go for the yellow CC. Bam. Now, let's do the blending. The blending. I'm only just show you as I start the blending, then I'll cut. When I finish the blending, then we continue to see how I put the whole of the item I need to put. So we're about to blend our soap and see how it goes. You can see now, if you want to make it a very smooth one, you go ahead. But if you don't want to make it a smooth one, like you want some particles of the soaps to stay, so you have the mindset of blending it for some period of time that is not going to take time, that you'll be seeing it, like you feel it, you understand, you touch it and you feel it, you know, okay, I think I'm okay with this. But this one, I want the soap to be smooth, that I don't want to see any balls, I don't want to see any particles of the soap, all of. All right, so we've done blending. It's not just the ending of the blending, but I want to tell you what we will be putting, just some few items, a few agents. So we'll be using our blender oil. Yes, we'll be using our blender oil, and we'll be using I will be using our Omiero water. Okay, we'll be using our Omiero water, and also we'll be using Pimentos. We'll be using our Pimentos concentrate. Oh, sorry. We'll be using our Pimentos concentrate. Okay, because I told you, if you want to know much about this thing, you can always talk to me on WhatsApp, because I don't have much time to explain in here. So we'll be using our alpha arbutin also, right? And then we'll be using to control our stretch mark. We'll be using our crude kinacol, right? That's it. We'll be using our crude kinacol. You can use any of the kinacol. You can use Beleclar kinacol. You can use whatever you feel like to use to control your stretch mark. You hear me? But we won't put much things in here, because as you can see with what we've gotten is whitening already. Are you getting it? So that is that, and then we'll be using our lactic acid. Lactic acid, yes, we'll be using our lactic acid as well, and we'll be using our koji deep powder, we'll be using our goji deep powder, and also we'll be using our glycerine. What are you? We'll be using our whitening glycerine also, to dissolve our powders. Okay, so that we'll be using our honey. We'll be using our honey, right? That is it. Okay, and we'll be using our fragrance. So we'll be using a strawberry fragrance. That is it. And lastly, we'll be using our preserver. Okay, we'll be using our preserver, German Plus. Bing. All right. Wait. So we're done with all of the agent we have to put. So now we have to blend properly. So for the yellow CC cream to be ready, we have to blend perfectly. With this, your yellow CC cream is ready. Alright guys, that is it. There's no time wasting about it. So that's how to make your yellow CC ready, okay? If you know you can't go all through this, you can always place your order via the number on your screen. Just place your order. We always get you the yellow CC, your yellow CC soap. That's how to make your yellow CC soap. Even the cream as well, okay? We have all of them. So if you know you can't do all that, place your order. Wherever you are, we ship everywhere. Within the country, locally, we deliver everywhere. And then outside that, we have our logistic company ready. So it's aside skincare things, Yes, you can always bring anything for us to ship. Whatever, anything, property you want us to ship for you, any item you want us to ship for you, we'll always do that for you. So don't forget, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria will remain the best. You know, the only guy who always want to make the ladies beautiful. So I said, so until I come your way next time, next video, don't forget, glue to this station, glue to this TV. You know, you can always go to our Instagram, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria, to check on us, see more videos in there. On our Facebook, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. On another YouTube also, we have it also. You can always go there and watch the video, subscribe, like, and share.